We got a little fridge down there. What we got here? Just a regular bathroom. It's got like these little like cabinets in it, so a little bit of character. The shower is just kind of like attached. That's pretty common in Thailand. This is actually kind of neat because you got like a little thing you can just put your suitcase there, kind of like a closet. So I actually kind of really like that, especially with the size of suitcase we have. Little TV. All the TVs are really small. They have like this sort of like fireplace thing, which I guess is more shelving. I feel like there's a lot of like shelving in here for some reason. A little bit of picture for some character. The bed's pretty hard, but again, nice little character, right? You like the room, Jeroen?
Mm-hmm.
Jeroen's just like, I'm glad to not be driving anymore. Yay! What's the view? Can we see?
Why don't open the door? Oh.
Because I'm not as smart as you. I don't think of these things right away, honey. Oh, we got a little porch. And a little... Oh, I guess that's where breakfast is right there. That's cool. So here's a little... fantasy resort. Oh, it's love. Welcome.